Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete previous chat on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser up. So it's in the top of the web browser. There will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and just type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. Now the ChatGPT interface will be opened, and the ChatGPT interface is in your screen. You just have to look in the left hand side. There are list of previous chats that you have done. So when you hover around it, a three-dot icon will appear in the previous chat, and you just have to go there. And when you hover around that icon, it says options. So you just have to click on that icon, and a pop-up box will appear. And in the bottom of the box, there is a delete option. So you just have to click on the delete, and again you have to click on the delete. After that, your previous chat has been deleted completely and successfully. So this is how you can easily delete previous chat on ChatGPT. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.